Good morning, children. Today we have a English lesson, 5th class students. See the new lesson, tribal treasure. Tribal means, you know what is tribal? The people who live in the forest are called tribal people. Okay. See the forest treasure, tribal treasure. It was 4:30 in the morning. 4:30. Half मतलब 4:30. Indu woke up and opened the window of their thatched house in Ninmeni. Thatched house मतलब वो जो हट्स रहते ना, वो हट्स को thatched house बोलते. Mist blanketed the earth and it was cold. She looked at her sisters who were fast asleep. Mist मतलब मंचू, बर्फ. Blanketed the earth पूरा अच्छे से बर्फ से भर गया and it was very cold. స్నోతో నిండిపోయి ఉన్న చల్లగా ఉంది మంచుతో. అండ్ షీ లుక్డ్ ఎట్ హర్ సిస్టర్స్ హూ వర్ స్లీపింగ్, బీయింగ్ ద descendants of Kurichya warriors who helped the renowned Fazasi Raja in his battle against the British. The skill of archery was in their blood. So these people are warriors. ये हिंदूज के पेरेंट्स, हिंदूज का फैमिली आर वॉरियर्स जो आर्चरी करते, बाउ एंड एरो फेंकते ना, वो आर्चरी करने वाले वॉरियर्स है उसका फैमिली. द सिस्टर्स कुड हिट राइट ऑन द टारगेट 6 out of 10 times at the district level sporting event. There were many other archers but none as good as 3 sisters in the whole Wayanad. So these are familians. ये लोग पहले से ही फैमिली में ही पूरे आर्चरी करने वाले, बाउस फेंकने वाले, बाउस एंड एरोस करने वाले. ये 3 sisters వెరీ పర్ఫెక్ట్ ఇన్ ఆర్చరీ కతే. ఆర్చరీలో ఈ ముగ్గురు సిస్టర్స్ చాలా పర్ఫెక్ట్గా ఉండేవాళ్ళంట. ఏమైనా డిస్ట్రిక్ట్ లెవెల్ కాంపిటీషన్స్ ఉన్నా కూడా ఆ కాంపిటీషన్స్లో కూడా ఈ 3 సిస్టర్సే ఫస్ట్ వచ్చేవారంట. There was a big event coming up in the city of Trivandrum. None other than Governor of Kerala was the guest of honor. It is a time when hardly any youngster showed genuine interest in sporting events. There was a big event in Trivandrum. केरला का ट्रिवेंड्रम में एक कंपटीशन था कहते. एंड उसके चीफ गेस्ट कौन? गवर्नर ऑफ केरला. द गवर्नमेंट के हेड रहते ना गवर्नर इज द चीफ गेस्ट. एंड देर वॉज एन इवेंट एंड देर वर नो यंगस्टर्स पार्टिसिपेटिंग इन दैट कॉम्पिटिशन. उसमें पार्टिसिपेट करने के लिए गाँव में से कोई यंगस्टर्स नहीं आए. ड्यू टू द कंसिडरेबल लैक ऑफ स्पोर्ट्समैन एंड स्पोर्ट्स वुमेन, द गवर्नमेंट ऑल्सो स्लैंक्ड इन सपोर्टिंग दोज विद जेन्युइन पैशन. इट वॉज सैड बट इट वॉज ट्रूथ. ड्यू टू कंसिडरेबल लैक, वहाँ पे कोई भी है, द मेनी पर्सन्स आर देर, मेन है वुमेन है, बट कोई भी ये खेल में, ये इवेंट में पार्टिसिपेट करने के लिए इंटरेस्टेड नहीं है. एज इट वॉज नियरिंग 5, Indu awoke her sisters, Majnu and Mini, sat up and rubbed their eyes. And already she woke up at 4:30. 4:30 को उन्हें उठी. अब it is the time is becoming 5 हो जा रहा. तो she woke up Majnu and Mini. 3 sisters के नाम, एक का नाम इंदू, मजनू एंड मिनी. इंदू woke up and she woke up the Majnu and Mini. वो उठ के बाकी दोनों बहनों को उठा दी. Ramesh, their father, doubled up as their coach after a refreshing cold. So Ramesh was their father name and he was their coach. वही उन लोगों का कोच है, वही उन लोगों को खेल सिखाता था. After their bath, followed by prayers and yoga, the sisters commenced their practice session. So first they had bath, after that prayer कर लिए, yoga कर लिए and started their practice. They did not have any sophisticated bows and arrows, but rather the old-fashioned handmade bamboo arrows with a metal head, which Ramesh had made with the help of Velu, the local blacksmith. तो इन लोगों के पास प्रोफेशनल एरोज एंड बाउस नहीं थे कहते खेलने के लिए. ఆడడానికి ఏం కావాలో అట్లా లేకుండేనంట. దేవర్ బౌస్ విచ్ వర్ మేడ్ విత్ బ్యాంబూ స్టిక్స్తో చేసిన బౌస్ एंड लोकल ब्लैकस्मिथ मतलब लोहार, जो लोहे का काम करता ना, वो बनाया सो एरोस थे कहते. द बाउज वर ट्रेडिशनल वेन्स यूज्ड बाय हंटर्स. पुराने ज़माने के हंटर्स यूज़ करते थे कहते हो बाउस. Many people gathered to see the sisters honing their skill. Malati, their mother, remained at home and prepared food while hoping that some good came out of her daughter's determination to excel in archery. She prayed for the right doors to open at the right time. So her mother cooked. Her mother name is Malati. वो क्या करती थी कहते every day morning they used to bath, do yoga, prayer and go to the practice. तो मदर क्या करती थी कहते उन लोगों के लिए फूड प्रिपेयर करके शी यूज टू प्रे टू द गॉड. द सन शोन ब्राइट एज इंदू, मंजनू एंड मिनी स्टूड इन द मिडिल ऑफ द क्लियरिंग. रमेश प्लेस्ड a hay-stuffed scarecrow about 20 meters away from them. He pointed to the right painted circle on the scarecrow and told them to aim for it. The crow watched in anticipation. So వాట్ డిడ్ ద రమేష్ డూ अब उन लोगों का నిశానా సిఖానా, వాళ్ళకి పాయింటింగ్ ఎలా చేయాలనేది నేర్పించాలి. సో హీ మేడ్ అ క్రో, స్కేర్ క్రో, స్టఫ్డ్ క్రో అంటే పొలాల్లో ఉంటాయి చూడండి, खेतों में रहते देखो आदमी के जैसा बना के रखते, हाँ वैसा चीज़ को बनाया और उस पर रेड कलर के इसे पॉइंट आउट करके उसको शूट करो बोला. देखो ऐसा देखिए रेड कलर का ये हांडी है ना, उसको पॉइंट आउट करके शूट करो बोला. On one after the other, the arrows pierced the scarecrow. Thog, if it were alive, the scarecrow would have howled her life. Such was the strength in the spent arrows. Those gathered cheered on. So ये लोग अच्छा सा शूट करे. If it was a रियल क्रो इट वुड हैव डाइड. उतना स्पीड मार रहे थे कहते. यू मस्ट गो फॉर ओलंपिक्स, विजयन सेट. यू आर श्योर टू विन गोल्ड, करुणन सेट. अब गांव वाले आके बोलते ना, अरे तुम लोग ओलंपिक्स में जाना था, तुम लोगों को गोल्ड मेडल आता था, ऐसा मजाक करते ना, वैसा कर रहे थे. आफ्टर 2 hours ऑफ प्रैक्टिस द गर्ल रिटर्न होम विथ हर फादर. देयर फिंगर्स वर सोर एंड देयर आर्म्स वर एक्ड. द क्राउड फॉलोड देम विथ सॉन्ग्स एंड अप्लॉज. रियली उन लोगों का प्रैक्टिस बहुत अच्छा था. उन लोग खेल रहे तो पूरे गांव वाले आके जम गए. ఆల్ క్రౌడ్ వచ్చేసింది, అందరూ చూస్తున్నారు అరే పిల్లలు ఎంత బాగా ఆడుతున్నారని. దే వర్ క్లాపింగ్. दिस इज़ ऑल फॉर टुडे, रमेश सेड. वी शैल रिज्यूम टुमारो. अच्छा आज के लिए खेल ख़त्म, अब कल खेलेंगे बोल के उसके फादर को. द विलेज पीपल प्रेजेंटेड द फैमिली ऑफ 3 girls with farm produce, pumpkins, yams, sweet potatoes and coconuts for their nourishment. Everyone was poor, but they did not want poverty to be in the way of young girls who had promising future. So everyone in the village are very poor, but उन लोग ये बच्चियों का సాహస్ వీళ్ళ స్ట్రెంగ్త్, ఈ పిల్లలు ఎంత బాగా ఆడుతున్నారు అని వీళ్ళ స్ట్రెంగ్త్ చూసి వాళ్ళు మొత్తం విలేజ్లో ఉన్న ఫ్యామిలీస్ మొత్తము ఒక్కొక్కరు పంప్కిన్, ఒక్కొక్కరు స్వీట్ పొటాటోస్, కొందరు కోకోనట్స్, కొందరు యామ్స్, ఇట్లా అన్నీ ఫుడ్ తీసుకొచ్చి వాళ్ళకి ఇచ్చారు. వై? బికాజ్ ఇఫ్ దే ఈట్ దట్ హెల్దీ ఫుడ్ దే విల్ బికమ్ మచ్ హెల్దీ అండ్ దే కెన్ ప్లే వెరీ వెల్. आफ्टर हार्वेस्टिंग बनानास दे गेव द बनाना ट्री फॉर प्रैक्टिस. हाँ अब देखो बनाना ट्री को एक बार बनाना निकलने के बाद अब वो ट्री को क्या करते हैं, काट देते, वेस्ट हो जाता. तो इन लोग विलेज वाले क्या कर रहे करते, पूरे बनानास का हार्वेस्टिंग होने के बाद वो बनाना ट्रीज को भी उन लोगों को खेलने के लिए दे दिए, फॉर पॉइंटिंग, निशाना लगाने के लिए दे दिए, प्रैक्टिस के लिए. The arrows speared the stem left, right and center. Every day would be a big day with different distances for the arrow to fly. Days passed and time came for the girls to travel to Trivandrum. They boarded the bus after prayers and blessings from the entire village of Nenmani. So, at last the competition date aa gaya and the girls went to Trivandrum for the competition. They were excited as well as scared because it was going to be a whole new experience for them. उन लोग बहुत एक्साइटेड भी है एज वेल एज फियर भी है क्योंकि उन लोगों को किसी भी हालत में जीतना है. आफ्टर फिनिशिंग द फॉर्मेलिटीज एट द स्टेट स्पोर्ट काउंसिल दे मूव टू अ होटल रूम स्पेशली अरेंज्ड फॉर देम. द गर्ल्स वर फुल ऑफ ऑ एट द वेरियस साइट्स एंड साउंड्स ऑफ द कैपिटल सिटी. सो त्रिवेंद्रम इज द केरला's कैपिटल सिटी. वहाँ पे वो सिटी को देख के दे वर शॉक्ड, सरप्राइज हो गए and these girls were given a hotel room. Players है ना. Majnu, now that we are in Trivandrum, I feel very small. Nimneni is nothing, isn't it? Indu said. So मजनू से इंदू बोल रही है, द एल्डर सिस्टर, अरे हम तो त्रिवेंद्रम में हैं, हम छोटा सा विलेज निन्मेनी से आए, अब देखो ये त्रिवेंद्रम हाउ ब्यूटीफुल इट इज़ बोल के बोले. मे बी इट इज़ ग्रेट प्लेस बट आई थिंक वी हैव टू गेट अवर बिलाउड निम्नेनी नोटिस्ड. तो मजनू बोली, हाँ ऑफकोर्स नन्मेनी इज़ अ स्मॉल प्लेस, वो छोटा प्लेस है मगर उसको हम जीत के हमारा नन्मेनी विलेज को एक ग्रेट प्लेस बनाना बोल के बोल रही. यस इट्स अप टू अस, लेट्स मेक आवर पीपल प्राउड. यस हम अपने पीपल को प्राउड करेंगे, हम खेल के जीत के अपने विलेज के पीपल को प्राउड करेंगे बोल के पूरे तीनों सिस्टर्स बातें कर ले रहे. After a quick breakfast, Ramesh took his daughters to the Chandrasekhar Nair Stadium. The girls looked at each other, their hearts thumped and their palms were sweaty. So after eating breakfast, his father Ramesh took them to the Chandrasekhar Nair Stadium. Stadium को लेके गया, वह लेके जाके देखते कि the girls were shocked. उन लोगों के हाथों में पसीने आ गए. Their palms were sweaty. Relax my daughters, Ramesh said. Don't think of too many things. Just do what you are good at and don't lose focus. तो उसके फादर उन लोगों को बोल रहा है, रिलैक्स, जस्ट डू वॉट यू नो एंड फोकस करो बस, डरो मत, डोंट गेट वरीड. हु ऑल आर देयर एंड हु इज़ वॉचिंग यू, यू एम योर एरो एंड शूट. बस कौन देख रहे कौन नहीं देख रहे ये डोंट केयर इट, बस यू फोकस ऑन योर, निशाना लगाओ, यू फोकस ऑन योर एरो एंड शूट बोल के बोला. When it was the time for archery event, the girls brought out their crude bows and arrows, evoking laughter for many of those watching. So, इन लोग पुराने ज़माने के bows and arrows थे ना. When the competition started, they brought their bows and arrows. वहाँ का crowd पूरा हंसना शुरू करा. They started laughing. Are they really serious? Are they hunters? उन लोग पुकारे, क्या इन लोग प्लेयर्स है नहीं तो हंटर्स है बोल के पुकारे. People laughed and snickered. The governor noticed them and found it very strange that they did not have proper bows and arrows. As the event progressed, people were in the biggest surprise of their lives. 7 out of 10 times the sisters hit the bull's eye. The crowd roared. So the governor भी शॉक हो गया, अरे इन लोग बेचारे इतने गरीब है, they are so much poor. उन लोगों के पास सही तरीके के bows and arrows भी दिए. But when the event started, when the competition started, 7 out of 10 times, 10 times में से 7 times these girls hit correct निशाना लगाए. All were shocked. The crowd चिल्लाना शुरू कर दिए. Later on, governor summoned the girls and their coach. After listening to the story of their circumstances, he congratulated them and again promised for a better training opportunities for them. So इन लोगों का खेल देखते कि गवर्नर ही वॉज समन्ड, वो एकदम सरप्राइज होके उन लोगों के बारे में बात किया. बोला दीज गर्ल्स आर वेरी हार्ड वर्किंग एंड छोटे से विलेज से आए. नाउ आई विल गिव देम ए प्राइज दैट आई विल गिव देम ए प्रॉमिस दैट दे विल गेट ए बेटर ट्रेनिंग. इन लोगों को और भी ट्रेनिंग दिलाने का प्रॉमिस करा. दे वर नो लुकिंग बैक सिंस दैट डे. Although Ramesh continued as their mentor, they were assigned a professional coach named Murali. Malati was happy to hear that the great opportunity that came to her daughter. God had heard and answered her prayers. So, even though his father Ramesh was their coach, but एक special coach, एक very talented coach named Murali को appoint किया और ये बच्चे अच्छे से practice करने लगे. Time passed and the sister won many accolades in the state as well as the national level. The trio from Namneni caught the attention of the Commonwealth Games. So, इन लोग गेम्स ईच एंड एवरी कॉम्पिटिशन खेलने लगे और जीतने लगे. ऐसा जीते जीते कॉमनवेल्थ गेम्स सिलेक्शन कमेटी ने इन लोगों को देख लिया. दे ट्रेन्ड फॉर 1 full year before flying to South Africa for an international archery event. By then they had got used to the modern archery kit. So this कॉमनवेल्थ गेम्स वाले दे स्टार्टेड गिविंग प्रैक्टिस टू दिस गर्ल्स. 1 ईयर फुल प्रैक्टिस करने के बाद उन लोगों को अब मॉडर्न, पहले उन लोग क्या करते थे, ट्रेडिशनल पुराने ज़माने का आर्चरी खेलते थे, बाउज एंड एरोज. नाउ दिस गवर्नमेंट हैव गेव देम मॉडर्न आर्चरी किट. अब नए ज़माने का बाउज एंड एरोज दिया और उसको भी उन लोग अच्छे से खेलना प्रैक्टिस कर लिए. Even though the trio has spent a great amount of time practicing, they still got nervous when in the presence of other archers from the countries. So even though they have played very well, but competition आने के समय दूसरे players को देख के they felt very nervous. They knew they had come a long way. Now all that remained was to compete against Germany and Spain in the finals. So एकदम finals में they have to competition with Germany and Spain. After their initial nervousness, the trio means तीन बोल के, the trio from Nenmeni regained composure. A few times the arrows missed their target, but they were not ready to give up. थोड़े थोड़े समय in sometimes these arrows missed, उन लोगों के arrows miss हो गए, but उन लोग they didn't give up. नहीं, हम लोग खेलते, हम लोग जीते. They were in a confidence. One after the other, they concentrated hard, took a beat deep and released the arrows. Bullseye, bullseye, bullseye. The spectator gasped in awe. The sisters trembled in excitement as they had not really expected to be so lucky. So, they said, अरे हम तो इतने लकी नहीं है कि हम करेक्ट निशाना लगाए, మాకన్నా మంచిగా ఆడుతున్నారు వీళ్ళు అని देवर घबरा गए, डर गए. They were frightened, but they didn't give up. In the final tally, however, they came up in the silver medal position, as their initial mistakes proved to be costly. Team Germany was gold, but the sisters had nothing to be ashamed of it. It was no mean feat to win silver medal at the international level. Their eyes filled with the tears of gratitude. So they got the silver medal, means second position. Gold medal, silver medal, bronze medal. Silver medal आए तो भी it was not very simple. They played in the international level, national level भी नहीं, international level, the whole world के competition में they got silver medal. It is not very small, वो बड़ा बात है, बहुत बड़ी बात है. Indu, Manju and Mini filled the front pages of newspapers and the people in many rejoiced at the great achievement. India was indeed made proud by the jewels from Wayanad. So इन लोगों के फोटोज़ न्यूज़पेपर के फ्रंट पेज में आए एंड उसमें लिखा नेनमेनी गांव से है ये लड़कियां बोल के. सो बिकॉज ऑफ दिस उन लोगों का विलेज का नाम बहुत रोशन हो गया. सो हमको भी कुछ ऐसा करना, बिकॉज ऑफ अस, हम जो प्लेस में पैदा हुए वो प्लेस का नेम हमेशा ग्रेट करना. ओके चिल्ड्रन, in the next class I'll give you the hard words and meanings of this lesson. So for today you read the lesson from the term book. Okay, thank you.